Hello everyone, I'm Junyo. Here I would like to talk about the Form 4 Chapter 2 number base. And this chapter, what we need to learn is identify the number base and converting a number base to another base. And the last is addition and subtraction of the number base. And here, as you can see, this is something like the number base. And I use two variables, which is x as the number and y is the base. And after that, in this slide, you can see have a table, and this table shows that number will never bigger or equal with base. It means if the base is 5 and the number is only can be 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, will never bigger than 5. Like as you can see here, x, and the biggest number is 7, it will never become 8 or 9 or 10 or 11. So it's the example of the base. As you can see here, in base 2 will only have 1, 0, 1. It will only have 1 and 0, will never be bigger than 1. So in it's same with base 5, yeah, 4 only, the bigger number will be 4 only. Base 8 is the same. After that, I would like to talk about the formula to convert number base. So the first is another base number convert to base 10. As you can see here, I use 4 variables, and A, B, C is the number, X is the base. And how to do the formula is you take the C number C, and put it here, multiply with X power 0. X is the base number, so power is 0, and after this we pass with another like B, we pass with B, multiply with x power 1. Why is 1? Because when you do one time, you add on 1. So after this, you use a multiply with x, and it will power 2. Then after you done the multiply and pass all the number, you will get answer. So after this is the formula of the base 10 to another base. So this is quite easy. You just need to take the number, put it here, and the base you want to convert to. Like I'm base 10, I would like to convert to base 5. So here and here, I will need to put base 5. Then I will need to put 5. So the 5 here, and after that, I will do the division. The division is number divided by base. So I will get the answer. I will put below the number, and then also I will get the remaining. So the remaining I will put at beside the answer. After that, you will do it again. Do the division again. The answer divide by base, and you will get the answer 2 put here, and the remaining 2 put here. After you do the division until you get the answer is smaller than the base. If the answer is smaller than base, then you stop and you take the answer, last answer, put below the remain, and write the 0 at the below answer, and you will get answer. You will get a final answer, which is at the remaining here, and you down look up, which is the answer, which is answer 2 and 2. And so let me do some example for you. Here is the convert to the base 10, like 101. 101 base 2, I would like to convert to base 10. So here is the answer, is the formula. So 101, I take 1, multiply with 2. Why is 2? Because we base 2 here, and see base 2, sure. So power with 0. Why power with 0? Because 0 first, and add on 1, here 1, and add on 1, 1 add on 1 is 2, so here 2. So 0, 1, why is 1? Because the first number is 1, and the second number is 0, so you take the 0, multiply with the 2, and power 1, and add on the power, and put it in the next. The next is 2 power 2, and multiply with 1. Why is 1? Yeah, see, 1 is there. So if you 1 multiply with 2 power 2 is 4, and 0 multiply with 2 power 1 is 0, 1 multiply with 2 power 1 is 1. So you get the answer 5 base 10. After that is the second question, which is 3, 3, 4 power a base 5. So this question is same just now. You take the 4 plus first is 4 multiply with 5 power 0, and the power you add on 1, so it become 1. Then take 2 multiply with 5 power 1, and you take 3. Third number, 3 multiply with 5 power 2, and you take the fourth number, which also the 3. 3 multiply with 5 power 5. So you will get 375, 75, 104. After you add all these, you will get 464. And the last question is quite easy, just 10 base 8. So get a 0, the first number is 0, so 0 multiply with 8. Why is 8? Because the base is 8 and power 0. After that, add on the power, so become 1. So take the second number, which is 1. 1 multiply with 8 power 1, so you will get 8. And 0 multiply with 8 power 0, you become 0. So if you add on, you become 8. Is easy. So the next is for base 10, I'd like to convert to another base. So here you have the two examples. The first example is 233 base 10. You would like to convert to base 5. So here is the answer and the formula. So here, as you see, 5. So here, and I put the number here, 233. After that, I do the division. And the division is 233 divided by 5. So just you will get the answer 46, and the remaining is 3. And the remaining you put here, answer you put here, 46. After that, as you can see, the answer is still bigger than 5, and bigger than the base number. So you do the division again. So 5 divided by 46 and 2 times by 9. So you get 45, and you minus 3, you get 1 remaining. So answer will be 9, and 1 is the remaining below the 3. So after that is the same. 9 is still bigger than 5, so you do the division again. So 1, 9 minus 5, and you get 4 remaining. Just put 4 here, and the answer is 1. Okay, here as you can see the 1, the answer is 1. So 1 is smaller than 5. Then you need to stop the divide and take the 1, put at below the remaining, and write the 0 below the answer, which is 1. After that, you will get answer, which is 1, 4, 1, 3. So you will get the answer 1, 4, 1, 3 base 5. That is the answer. So must remember the answer need to look below up. Okay. After that is the second question, which is 67 base 10 convert to base 8. So let's start with here. 67 you divide by 8, and then you get the answer 8, and 67 divided 8 minus 64, you will get 3. So the remaining is 3, and 3 you put the 3 here, and the 8 is still same value with the 8 with the base. So you cannot stop the divide first. You need to make sure it it is more than x. So here you do the division again, and x take 1 and x minus an x is it becomes 0, no remaining. So if no remaining, it means 0, so you just write the 0 here, write the 0 at the remaining part. After that, you can, as you can see, 1 is more than x. So what you can do, just take the 1, put below the 0 and write the 0, write the 0 below 1, and you will get answer, which is 103 base 8. This one. The next is I need to tell you the tips, some tips of the add and minus base number. And before I told you the tips, the one you must know is only the same base can add and minus. What it means if like I give the example, I take 101 base 2 minus with 502 base 8. It cannot be minus. Why? Because not the same base. Only can the same base become minus or add. So you will need to convert the 101 base 2, convert it to base 8, or just convert the base 8 to base 2, then you do the calculation. So after that is the tips. So the tips for the add part is after adding, if the answer is more than base, you will add 1 to the front number and answer need to minus with the base number. And after that, tips minus. When you minus, if the first number is more than the second number, minus 1 to the front number and add the value of the base into the first number. Okay. After that, I will take some example. So here, first number, as you can see here, is the same base. So you can just pass it, and here, which formula, and it's easy. As you can see, 0 and 1, and you pass 0 and 1, it become 1. So just 1, just write 1, 1, 0, also 1, 0, 1, also 1. But here, you see, 1 plus 1. If 1 plus 1 will become 2, but at base 2, you cannot write 2. You can only just write 1. So at here, as you can see, tips. After adding, if the answer is more than the base, more than or equal to the base, so here is the equal 2. You need to add 1 to the front number. See, I put a small 1 here. So I add 1 here, and the answer I will minus with the base. So the answer here I get is 2. 2 minus 2, which is 0. So here, see, I get a 0. So same with here. 1, 1 plus 1. So here, same with just now, I will take get 2, and I increase 1 to front number, and I minus the base number. So I will get 0 again. And here is also 1 plus 1. So we become 2. I will add 1 to here. You see, the in front number, I write 1 here. And I will minus with the base number, which 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So I will get 0 again. So this is the first question. The answer is 100111 base 2. And the second question, as you can see, is base 4. So it still can just plus, no need to convert anything. So 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Plus 6 is more than 4. So as the tips here, you need to add 1 to the in front number and minus the base number, which is 4. So 6 minus 4 become 2. So you write 2 here, and here you increase 1. So then increase 1, 1, add 2, which means is 5. So if 5 still more than the base number, so you need to minus 4. If 5 minus 4 is 1, so you put the answer 1 here, and increase 1 for the front number, and 1 plus 2 plus 1, you get 4. And 4 is equal to the base number. So you still need to minus with 4, minus the base number, and you will 4 minus 4, you get 0. And just now, it's the equal, so you need to add on 1. So here is the 1 you add on. So the final answer will become 1012 base 4. Okay. After the minus question. So in the minus question here, as you can see, is the same base. So you can just do the formula. So here, you see, as you can see, 0 minus 1. But if 0 is not enough, minus 1. So you can see the tips minus. If the first number, which is 0, is more than the second number, which is 1, then you need to minus 1 to the front number, minus 1, and add the value of the base number into the first number. So the base number is 2, so add on here, so 2 minus 1. If 2 minus 1 equal to 1, it's quite easy. Just write 1 here for the answer. So here I will, just now I minus 1, so become 0. 0 minus 0 become 0. And here are the same. 0 minus 1 are not enough, minus. So I take 1, take 1, just minus 1 to the front number, minus 2 here, and add the value to add the value of the base number into the first number. So it's add here. So become 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 will become 1. Then I write the answer here. And here, as you can, just now you take the 1, right? So you minus 1. So here you count 0. 0 minus 1. Still cannot minus. So you need to take here. Take 2 here. And 1 count 0. So 2 minus 1 become 1. Here comes 0. Because just now I take 2 there and 0. And last one no need to minus, so just put 1. So as you can see now, the answer is 101101 base 2. And the last question is the base 5. 2 also the base 5. You can just minus it. So this is quite easy. 3. As the first one, you can see this 0 and 1. If 0 and 1, 0 is not enough to minus with 1. So you need to take in front of them. You take the base is 5, so you take 5. So now here is 5 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. And here 3, I still can minus with 3. I minus 1. I still can minus with 0. So 3 minus 1 become 2. And 4 minus 4 is easy. 0. 4 minus 4 is easy. 0. And 4 minus 0 minus nothing. It means 0. So become 4. Okay. So the answer may become 40024 base 5. And this is the last question. And it's quite hard. Let's see. Calculate the 44312 base 5 plus 772 base 10. Answer must be base 5. So here, as you can see, is not the same base. One is base 5, one is base 6. So you need to convert it to the base 5, the answer. So the first step is convert the base 10. If you want to convert x to 5, cannot directly convert. You need to convert base x to base 5 first. After base 5, convert the base 5 to base 10. Same with another base, like base 2, you need to convert to base 10 first before you convert to base 5. So at here I convert the base x first. So just now I teach the formula, which is you take the 2 and multiply with x, which is the base, and power 1, and add on the power. 7 take the second number, 7 multiply with x power 1 and add on the power 1, become 2. So 7 multiply with x and power 2. So you will get 440x, 55x, 56, and 2. Then you add on it, will become 506. After the first step, you will do the second step. The second step is what I said, just convert the base 10 to base 5. Let's see, that's it. So how to convert? Just now I also have teach. So 506 is the number. The base I want to convert is 5, so I put 5 here and I make a division. So the answer I will get is 101 and the remaining is 1. So I put the answer here and the thing I put beside it. So the 101 is still bigger than 5. So I need to do again the division. So 101 divided by 5, 220 is the answer. I get 1 is the for remaining, so I just put 1 here, and 20 is still bigger than 5, so I need to do the division again. So 5 divided by 20, I take answer 4, so didn't have any remaining. If didn't have any remaining means you need to put 0. So the answer is 4, so I put the answer here 4, but till here, the 4 is more than 5. So you can stop the division and take the 4 below the 0 and write the 0 below the 4, below the answer. So you will get the answer, which is 4011 base 5. It's quite easy, right? So after that, last step is you need to add on the 2 number. As you can see just now, I do the conversion, right? Convert the base x to base 5. So now the 2 base is the same. So I can just simply plus it. So it's easy. Plus 1 is not bigger than 5, not bigger than the base number. So 3, just write 3. And 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 3, 3, 4 plus 4 here. It's equals of 4 plus 4 is 8. And 8 is bigger than the base number. So if you're bigger than, you need to minus 5. And if bigger than, you need to add 1 to the front number and minus the base number. So here 4 plus 4, 8. You get 8 bigger than 5. You put 1, increase 1 here, and 8 minus 5, which is 3. So here I write 3. And here just now I passed, so 1 plus 4 become 5. Is still equal to 5. So you cannot just simply write 5. You need to write 0, because 5 minus with the base number 5 is 0. So I write 0, increase 1 to the front. Okay, so fish. Answer of this is 103,323 base 5. It's easy, right? That's answer. So you must remember, not the same base cannot be minus or add. You will need to convert to base 10 first, and convert to the same base. This is all about this chapter. Thank you all. See you next time.